evening, everybody. Sorry for my entry a little late today. Just came from a dinner, a good show over there. My name is Chani Esbon, you all know. I serve in the Vada Kol. This is my third term. I want to focus on one issue. And this issue that I did, and a lot of people, I still try to help out today in that issue, and that is getting jobs for people. Over my three terms in the Vada Kol, say tens of people got jobs from governmental office. In the last 18 months, 2 years, together with my colleague Leivish Nash, his office opened up to a very generous person in this community, upstairs in Agudas Yisrael, 456 Crown Street, and called Crown Heights Cold Joe job. And more than a governmental job and private job, because right now governmental job, you know that there's layoffs every single day. City, state, there's no money over there, and we try to sit down. There's two people that we employ over there, a man and a woman, that serve different people in the community in different hours, and they look out to the papers. They make phone calls to different businesses, and they see what can you do. What can you do? You know what? Are you a painter? You're a carpenter? Can you put down tiles? You want to be a salesman? They tell you what can you do. Then you go for an interview. First they get you ready for an interview. Then you get a resume. So they get you a resume. What was your last job? 2 or 3 jobs before. What did you do? What did you do in your lifetime? And they get you to put up a resume, and they try to get you ready to go for this interview. This is one thing where I want to continue, because unfortunately, people call me today. The government, the Vaila is like a dead end, because if you work for government and you keep your job you have today, you're lucky. And so we took the road even before this crisis, and we want to go to the private sector, private jobs around New York City. And Baruch Hashem, we got a couple of people that maybe not great jobs, maybe not pay all your bills, but better to be unemployed and make something. And this is the thing that I want to continue and do. One last thing, because I already know I'm not a speaker, so I'm not going to take too much of your time. I want to say one last thing. If anybody wants to know my record, what do I do for this community, I'll ask you to go to the Meister in this community. So Taylor, Beis Menachem, Beis Rivka, and ask them what I did, and I'm sure they could speak on my behalf for me. And I'm just asking everybody to, next Sunday, the Shkede Steven, Ish Echad, Lev Echad, come out, and besides the other great candidates that are here, all great, please cast your vote for me. Thank you.